Hi and welcome to another Watch Geek video. Today we're taking a closer look at the newest model from Zelos, the Swordfish 40 Titanium. As the name suggests, this is a smaller 40mm version of the Swordfish, while the original was 42. The 42mm one in bronze was actually the first Zelos I reviewed, and I liked it a lot. Zelos was always good at offering great value for money and original designs, something that separates them from many other micro brands. Although in the past they had some questionable design choices, like the two lines of minute markers on the Mako V2, their current models are simpler and, in my opinion, better. The Swordfish is one such model. It still has a complex case with many facets, and the sunburst sandwich dial makes it pop, but it is not overwhelming. The size is also pretty much perfect, with 40mm in diameter and just 46 lug to lug, which makes it wear great on a small wrist like mine, even though it features T-shaped endings that increase the lug to lug to 50.5. Another thing Zelos changed in their current lineup is the thickness of their models. While in the past they had models going to 17, now all of their models have shaved off a few millimeters, this one included. With just 12mm in thickness, it makes for a very easy watch to wear, and the titanium makes it light and warm to the touch. This means this watch is instantly comfortable. The bracelet is excellent, not only because it has everything you would expect construction-wise, so solid end links held with screws, and a machined clasp, but it also drapes nicely due to smaller links. One questionable design choice is the usage of quick-release spring bars. One reviewer mentioned it digs into his wrist, but I don't seem to have that same problem, so it might depend on the size and shape of your wrist. Unfortunately, that is something you won't know until you try the watch on. One thing I wish they added is the ratcheting adjustable clasp instead of the regular micro adjustment this has. The only reason I mention this is because I got spoiled by their hammerhead model, which is only like $30 more. The problem is, once you try the ratcheting clasp on any watch with a bracelet, it is hard to go back to the regular fixed clasp. But that pretty much sums up my complaints about the watch, as the rest is everything you expect from Zelos. The crystal is sapphire, the bezel insert either ceramic or titanium, depending on the color variant, and the watch is powered by the Seiko NH35 to keep the price down. All these specs come at $429 retail or $329 in the launch special price, which will end on the 31st of October, making it an excellent value for money. One thing that the specs can show you is the level of quality. So far, each and every Zelos I handled, this one included, has been incredibly well made. Everything lines up perfectly. The fit and finish is incredible. The way the endlings join the case with no visible gaps or play. The way the crown screws in and out with precision and positive feel. The way the bezel feels when turned with precise clicks and just the right amount of resistance. They just seem to be a step above what I'm used to seeing at this price point. I recently had a Seiko Patty Turtle, and that watch, despite costing twice as much as this, had visible play in the endlings. Not to mention you have to be born under a lucky star to get one properly aligned. Zelos seems to have consistent level of quality in all their models, and that explains why they're so popular among watch lovers, and why they seem to sell out in the launch phase with ease. This model shows the same level of quality, while the slimmed down size and lightweight titanium make it one of the easiest to wear Zelos models so far. All this makes me pretty sure this one will be a success as well, and it also makes me excited about what they release in the future. Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and found it useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and until the next video, bye.